Hello and Global Sources Show in Hong Kong, and now we're in Doogee booth. This time Doogee is showcasing their new model V40 Pro. This is a 5G rugged phone. So the screen size is 6.78 inch, Full HD plus resolution, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. So we have a punch hole design holding the front camera here. It is 32 megapixel. On the right hand side we have volume buttons, and the power button also is supports side fingerprint. At the back we have a round bump holding 4 cameras here. It comes with a 200 megapixel for the main sensor. It is a Samsung HP3. And the next one is 8 megapixel for the zoom, and it supports also 20 megapixel for the night vision. And the last one is 8 MP for the wide angle and macro. This design is inspired by eSport. So we have also have an NFC at the back, and the secondary display also at the back. The screen here is 1.47 inch IPS. So if you don't want to turn on your phone but you want to check your time, you can just turn on. You can use the secondary display at the back. And also you can check the battery life if you swipe down. And also check the notifications. You can swipe to check the compass, music, camera. If you don't like your display here, you can long press and change the interface. On the left hand side, we have 3 slots holding the 2 SIM card and 1 TF card. And this is the programmable button. At the bottom, we have dual speakers and 1 suit Type-C for charging, and it supports also a reverse charging, so you can use it to charge your phone and other electronic device. Let's check on the camera. So as I mentioned earlier, it supports night vision. Here is 20 megapixel for the night vision. For the zoom, it supports 3 times for the optical and 50 times for the digital. The main sensor I mentioned earlier is 200 megapixel. For taking a video, it supports 4K. So we can change the video quality here, 4K, and if you switch to Full HD, it supports image stabilization. All the software in the camera is optimized by Morpho. Let's check on the system. So this phone is Android 14, and they're using a MediaTek chipset. The memory is 16 gigabytes, but it's extendable to another 20 gigabytes. The storage is 512 gigabytes, but it supports up to 2 TB. The battery life, the battery capacity is 8,680 milliampere. It supports 33 watts for the fast charging. So you can watch the video on this phone for like 18 hours and 48 hours for the daily phone call. Let's check on the specs a little bit. I mentioned earlier, this processor they're using is MediaTek. It's Dimensity 7300. It's a 4 nanometer octa-core chipset. and it is 4-arm A78 big core, so it's very powerful. Since this is a 5G rugged phone, so it supports IP68 and IP69K waterproof, and also 810 Edge military standard. This phone is already available in the market. The price is around more than $300.